Right then, back again with the third instalment of this petrol strimmer, getting it going, rebuilding it, getting it going, getting it back to normal. Basically there was no start, it cranked but didn't start. So basically what I've done, we weren't getting any spark anyway, so this is a coil. So I've got a new one of these, well it's second hand. Did the readings, I haven't done them for you, but I did the readings, and the old coil with lead didn't spark and showed exactly the same readings as the new one that I put in. So just by chance I thought, well, I'll put it on anyway and just see where we are with it. There was nothing to suggest that this was a bad coil, because all the readings, all the continuity and stuff like that, resistance was exactly the same between the two. So that sort of throws out that theory of looking for that, looking for different readings to suggest that this is a bad coil. Obviously if it's complete, if the lead's completely gone or it's blown inside, then yeah, you probably get no continuity, but these two are exactly the same. So I put this one on. Basically it's two, very easy, it's two Torx 25 bolts, one there and one there, then you set the gap between there. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I test for spark on this one. So got my spark plug tester. So you put one end on the spark plug, the other end in the lead. Hopefully you can see that. So I'm going to give it a crank. I'll switch it on. So hopefully you can see that. So now we've got spark. So basically what I've done is changed over the coil, and now I've got spark, which I didn't have before. So the next installment is going to get the thing, well, get it all put back together and get the thing going. Hopefully it'll work. So watch out for the next installment. Hopefully I'll have a fully functioning petrol strimmer. Thanks for watching.